Advantages and benefits of Python. The diverse application of Python language is a result of the combination of features which give this language an edge over others. Some of benefits of programming in Python includes presence of third-party module. The Python package index, that is PyPI, contains numerous third-party modules that make Python capable of interacting with most of the other languages and platforms. The exclusive support libraries. Python provides a large standard library which includes areas like Internet protocols, string operations, web services, tools, and operating system interfaces. Many high-use programming tasks have already been scripted into standard library, which reduces length of code to be written significantly. Third is open source and community development. Python language is developed under an OSI approved open source license, which makes it free to use and distribute, including for commercial purpose. Further, its development is driven by the community, which collaborates for its code through hosting conversion and mailing list and provides for its numerous modules. Learning ease and support available. Python offers excellent readability and uncluttered, simple to learn syntax, which helps beginners to utilize this programming language. The code style guidelines provide a set of rules to facilitate the formatting of code. Additionally, the wide base of users and active developers has resulted in a rich internet resource bank to encourage development and the continued adoption of language. Fifth is user-defined data structures. Python has built-in list and dictionaries data structure which can be used to structure fast-run data structures. Further, Python also provides the option of dynamic high-level data typing, which reduces the length of support code that is needed. Productivity and speed. Python has clean object-oriented design, provided enhanced process control capabilities, and forces strong integration and test processing capabilities, and its own unit testing framework, all of which contribute to the increase in its speed and productivity. Python is considered a viable option for building complex multi-protocol network applications. Popular apps developed in Python. There are tens of thousands of Python websites on the internet. Python is a popular language with both beginners and seasoned developers. Many of today's most successful tech companies are choosing Python for the backend of their websites. Let's take a look at some of the famous websites built using Python. The very first is Instagram. Instagram, the biggest online photo sharing app, uses Python on its backend. According to Instagram engineering team, Instagram currently features the world's largest deployment of Django web framework, which is written entirely in Python. Second is Google. Google is the most widely used search engine in the world with over 75% of the market share. Long-time Google engineer explained how Google got started using Python in their tech stack. Third is Spotify. Spotify allows instant listening to specific track or albums with virtually no buffering delay. While Spotify's website is built using WordPress, the Spotify app is built using Python. Spotify's backend consists of many interdependent services connected by its own messaging protocol. Around 80% of the services are written in Python. Netflix. Netflix is the world's leading internet television network with more than 33 million members in 40 countries, enjoying more than 1 billion hours of TV shows. Developers at Netflix turn to Python due to its rich batteries, included standard libraries, clean yet expensive syntax, large developer community, and third-party libraries one can tap into to solve a given problem. Uber, the riding-sharing service, completes over 15 million trips daily according to Uber engineers. At low levels, Uber engineers primarily write in Python, Node.js, Go, and Java. We started with two main languages, Node.js for the marketplace team and Python for everyone else. Dropbox. Dropbox is the home for all your photos, docs, videos, and files. Have you ever wondered how does an app like Dropbox scale from 2000 users to 200 million users? According to Rajiv Eranik, previously head of server engineering at Dropbox, they use Python for everything. In 2012, Dropbox hired the man who created Python, Guido van Rossum, away from Google. As of this writing, Rossum is still employed at Dropbox, making sure that Dropbox Python stack is one of the most efficient in the industry. Next is Pinstring. Pinstring is a social bookmarking site where users collect and share photos of their favorite events, interests, and hobbies. According to Pinstring co-founder, Python plus heavily modified Django at application layer is used. Tornad and very selectively Node.js as web servers.